Welcome to Products Review, your trusted source for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Today, we are going to talk about the product Rybozen KVM Switch, HDMI 2-port box, 2 computers, share keyboard, mouse, and H monitor, HUD fork, 3840x2160, support wireless keyboard and mouse connections. This KVM switch is a great way to conveniently switch between 2 computers while sharing the same monitor, keyboard, and mouse. The Rybozen KVM switch supports resolutions up to 4x2x 30Hz and also supports 3 to 1080 or lower resolution. It is compatible with HUD and can provide a truly unique and immersive experience for the user. The KVM switch also features both host button switch and hotkey switch, allowing the user to conveniently switch between 2 sources quickly and easily. This KVM switch is compatible with a wide range of devices such as CCs, laptops, projectors, LCD monitors, Apple TV, 3PS4, Sony Blu-ray player, Nintendo Switch projectors, audio video receivers, and most of the HDMI-capable devices. It requires no additional software and can be simply plugged and played. The Rybozen KVM switch is powered by USB and features 2 sets of high-performance chips that provide stable operation and low power consumption. In conclusion, the Rybozen KVM switch is an extremely convenient and reliable way to switch between different computers while sharing the same monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Did you like the product? The purchase link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.